All right, so I just finished the trip. I had to go buy something. It was around 45 minutes away. A little bit of city, a little bit of highway. Let's see what the truck says our trip average was. I'll take it. I'll take it any day of the week, buddy. What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today we've got a banger. Not a Mod Monday. I am sorry. I apologize. If you're here for the Mod Monday, we kind of got played by carparts.com. So I was online shopping for today's modification like 3 weeks ago. It wasn't a big mod by any means. It was a smaller mod, but it was a mod, okay? Mod Monday. That's the whole point of this. All black. That's nice. That's dandy. I like how it looks. Over here though, we need a little bit more chrome. Just one last piece. It's right here. You see this piece? Okay, so this is one solid piece on this truck, on SR5s, and I think anything that's not a limited. But you can take this off, and then it comes with two different pieces, one black piece and then a chrome insert, all right here. I ordered that from Car Parts. Guys, I kid you not. They sent me a chrome piece for the other side, okay? And I told him, hey, this is the wrong part. What are you doing, bud? Send me the right part. They sent me a black metal bracket, just a black bracket, and that was my replacement. I have a subscriber who always gets on me, Aing, why do you only buy things from Amazon? This is why. I will never buy anything from anywhere else other than Amazon. How does that happen? Nonetheless, that's not gonna ruin today's video. Today, we're gonna be doing my top 5 favorite modifications. Last week, we did our top dislikes, then we did a mod walk around. We gotta show some love to the Toyota Tacoma in a positive light. Without further ado, this is not in the list from my favorite to my least favorite. This is just gonna go, however it comes to my mind. So let's start off with number 1. Has to be the window tint, okay? Why I never did it to another truck? I don't know. Will I do it to every other truck, every other vehicle that I own? Yes, it is a must. Again, if you want to go with what I did 20% up front and then slap 20% on to the back. You really can't see into it. You can't see through the back, but on this side, you can kind of, sort of see. It is a lot lighter on the camera than it is in person. We did not do any windshield tint. A lot of people get really upset or really triggered if someone does it. Driving at night with 20% on the windows is already really, really dark. So I could imagine some people do like 5% on the front. Like, how? That's number 1, but number 2 has to be these wheels and tires. I am in love with these wheels and tires on both sides. When I was showing Sandy the trucks that I was kind of going for, it was very retro, it was very old school, like 70s, 80s, even early 90s pickup trucks had these tires, had these wheels. Thankfully, I was able to get them in chrome and in black. That was a very big plus. I always see them on like Fords or some Chevys. I know we're Toyota fanboys, but you got to give props where props are due, okay? Pro Comp 69 series. They are a 16x8, but they have a -12 offset, so that pokes them out a little bit, just enough to make the rest of your life awful, okay? Dirt everywhere, salt everywhere. Not fun everywhere except for like Instagram pictures, okay? That's the only place you will really enjoy them. I'm just kidding. I like the truck dirty. It looks really cool. Number 3, I mean, come on. Come on. The bull bar. No, I'm just kidding. I'm liking the bull bar today. It looks nice. But yesterday I was not a fan of the bull bar. I was ready to chop it off. Like not even uninstall it, just straight sawzall to it. I don't know if that would work though. Now we have to try it. But it has to be this personalized Aing logo. Very, very cool. It takes off the Toyota symbol, and then the grill blacked out chrome. It's just, the truck is looking so snazzy. Then we slapped Be Amazing up there. I never even like really introduced it, but I just did it. It was one night, it was like 12 degrees out and I was outside slapping that bad boy on, and no regrets. This is one of my favorite things. A lot of my subscribers reached out to me on Instagram and they messaged the guy who did it. And one of my subscribers is actually doing a Pokemon character on a quicksand Tacoma. If he wants me to put it on the channel, I will. But it really just shows you like you can do anything. Number 4, I think, is on everybody's list when they get a Tacoma, and that is suspension. So up front, we did do a 2.7-inch lift. It really came out to like 2.5, just due to the front end of the truck being a little bit heavier than the rear. 1.5 in the back, 2.5, 2.7 in the front, with Bilstein 5100s, Old Man Emu springs. That's what gives you the lift there. The ride quality of the Bilstein 5100s, man, I can't get over how good it is. It seems like when you are going slower, it's a little bit more uncomfortable because the weight of the truck isn't really working in your advantage. But trust me, 60 miles an hour, 70 miles an hour, we're cruising. I babied my last truck. I don't remember going too crazy in it, but this one I'm like full send. Hey, pothole, dip in. No, I'm just kidding. Don't do that. That is a recipe for an alignment every week. On the highway, you know, the road changes. Sometimes it's that white pavement. Sometimes it's that black pavement. You know what I'm saying, but there's dips, okay? Floats. It feels very, very nice. And then on the off-ramp, you don't feel like you're in a boat. The Tacoma feels planted. It feels nice and firm. Moving on to number 5. Okay, this one proved itself this weekend, okay? We're in Virginia. Friday, you're looking at 70 degrees. 60 to 70 degrees, right? On Saturday, they're saying it's gonna snow. Ha, yeah, right, buddy. Okay, it's not gonna snow. It snowed. Bad. Horribly. That's why there's salt all over the truck. You know, we were out and about, and I had some stuff that wouldn't go inside the truck, okay? Because, well, I don't know. I mean, it could have gone in the truck, but for video sakes, pop this bad boy open, put it in the bed. I asked Sandy for a tool the other day, and this is how she left my toolbox. So now I understand how she feels when I make a mess inside the house. But slap up the tailgate, and we were absolutely protected. Yita Motor sent this out. Yita Motor, I appreciate you. I thank you every day of my life. This bed cover is clutch. If you have a bed cover, you know how good it is. But now I'm thinking about the Diamondback. The Diamondbacks are pretty pricey. I think a little bit overkill for what I need. I just think it's cool that you can step on top of it. A lot of the stuff on my truck is just cosmetics, but that Diamondback bed cover, do any of you guys have it? Do any of you guys use it? When I look back in the rear view, it's like, it's moving in the wind, and it kind of worries me. I know nothing will happen, but with that being said, guys, the weather is getting better. The videos are gonna get better. I hope you guys did enjoy. Those are my top 5 favorite modifications that I've done so far to the Tacoma. But with that being said, it's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Peace.